Welcome everyone! You upgraded your iPhone to the iOS 26 beta, but now the stable public version is released. You want to get off the beta and you want to go back on the stable versions. So this is not particularly complex. You might even be on the stable version now. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings and you're going to look for your software update, and you're going to see at the very top beta updates. Now, if you're watching this video right after iOS 26 releases, Apple servers get really slow. Sometimes this doesn't show up. Sometimes this page gets really buggy. So you might just have to try in an hour. But what you do is you tap into beta updates and you're going to turn off the iOS 26 beta. And then once you do this, you're going to check and see if it says iOS is up to date or not. So if it says iOS is up to date, that means that last week, the release candidate or the RC version of iOS 26 is the exact same build and version as the iOS 26 releasing today. So you already have the iOS 26 public release. Nothing needs to be done on your end. Just leave beta updates off and you will only get stable versions from here on out. However, if a new iOS 26 update populates in here, you'll probably see the iOS 18 at the very top, and then below, upgrade to iOS 26. Or you'll just see another, iOS 26 that you need to download. That means that the release candidate last week was just a release candidate 1, and then the public release right here is RC2. Now, some people get really concerned because they have this beta updates option in their settings, and they want to remove this. They want to remove this because maybe if they sell their phone or something like that, they don't want this beta updates option. But the good news is this beta updates is tied to your iCloud account. So if you just sign out of iCloud, this beta updates toggle will go away. If you're trying to sell the phone, they will never know that you used the iOS 26 beta in the first place. And because you can turn off beta updates, there's no reason why you will need to remove this option. Now, real quick, YouTube haven't been promoting my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and left a comment saying, hey, this video helped me out, or this video did not help me out. And I'll try and respond to all the comments. With that being said, have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.